Hello, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with a beautiful 1953 BSA A10 Gold Flash Plunger. Can be won on the website. Go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99. This one ends towards the end of November 2024. What I'm going to do now is just show you around the bike, start her up, and you can see what you think. So on this one, to start it, you have got an isolation switch, and that's at the back of here. It's like a dimmer switch, and that needs to be pushed backwards. Someone's put on. Fuel on, give it a good tickle on the carb. There's a choke up here. I have already had it running, so you don't need the choke. So we'll just kick it and see what happens. As long as that isolation switch is on, which I'll show you here, and you tickled your carb, fuel's on, bit of choke if you need it, it does start really well. Really like these fully gold A10 examples with the gold frame and all the tin work in the tank. And it really sets it off nicely. There's not many bikes that are fully gold, but this one is. Nice soft coupling motor. Got the iron head and barrel, which insulates a lot of the sound, so it gives it quite a nice soft, pillowy, thumpy sound. So it looks like it has been restored, probably an older restoration because some parts are a bit worn, but still in very nice condition, in nice order. Classic British bike in the beautiful British countryside. Very fitting scene. And then turn it off. Fuel off. And that switch there. So if you fancy having a go at this one, like I said, tickets are $2.99. Go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com and you'll see this bike on there. Today is mid-October 2024. So it'll run till to the end of November 2024. Still have a look at the website because we've always got some nice British classics on there, like Triumphs, Norton sometimes, and we've also got usually quite a few classic Japanese bikes. If you do enter, thank you very much. Really appreciate your support and good luck as well. Thank you.